Tonight, a Japanese classic, we're doing salmon in a sweet teriyaki over a bed of rice noodles, stir-fried with bok choy. The bok choy, by the way, from our garden, harvested just yesterday. And what I love about this dish is the combination of simplicity and this abundance of sweet flavors, which is definitely going to super please your dinner table. As for the ingredients, what I love about it is there's no star of the show. This is a cast of equals. So we've got our salmon, obviously, and then for the teriyaki, we're gonna use ginger. This is organic root ginger. Garlic, which is from our garden. Once again, I love using the garlic from our garden. Soy sauce, mirin, which is sweet rice wine. And we're using Vermont maple syrup to sweeten it up. Some recipes may call for honey or apple cider. We're doing a northeastern US version of this, and so we use Vermont maple syrup. Part two of the ingredients for the rice noodles stir-fried with bok choy. We've got our rice noodles, obviously we've got our green onion. Here's the bok choy. You can see on the right side of the screen what it looks like before I cleaned it. And we've got some soy sauce, and we're gonna use some more of the garlic also from our garden. Okay, first step, we're gonna season our salmon with salt and pepper. Both sides. Okay, so we're just taking the skin off of the ginger. Here's what it looks like without the skin. And we're gonna smash this garlic and then put a really fine mince on it. Makes our garlic more potent. Okay, we're gonna make our teriyaki and start with our soy sauce. You can see the exact measurements in the description to this video. Here comes the mirin. And then yes, the maple syrup. Gonna drop in the garlic. In goes our minced ginger. Okay, now we wanna coat our salmon in this great teriyaki marinade. Make sure you get a thorough coating. Now we're gonna cover this up and let it rest for about 30 minutes in the fridge. Let's chop some scallions. Our bok choy gets a rough chop. Okay, time to put in our rice noodles. Time to move our rice noodles into an ice bath to stop them from cooking. Okay, we're gonna get a little bit of a neutral oil with a high smoke point. This is peanut oil. All right, so our fish is gonna go in skin side down and lay it down away from you. What a beautiful sight. Okay, time to give these guys a flip. Nice and crispy. Okay, we'll give it about 2 tablespoons. Okay, next we're gonna drop in our rice noodles with the bok choy. And goes the soy. So we dropped in our scallions. Salmon teriyaki on a bed of rice noodles with bok choy from our garden. What could be better than that? Thank you so much for watching this episode. If you liked this content, please be sure to like and subscribe. That's the best way you can support this channel. Good luck in the kitchen. Bon appetit. Oh my God, so good. Laura, you're gonna love this. I know you think you know, even though I believe you don't know.
I just said I don't know.
That's not what I heard.